Today I have a Mitsubishi Outlander, and I'm going to show you how to turn on and off this particular Mitsubishi Outlander. But before I get started, if you find my video helpful in any way, can you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. So I'm inside the Mitsubishi Outlander and I'm behind the steering wheel. Now I'll have the key is inside, okay? So the key is inside. This is a push start Mitsubishi Outlander. And so you have to have the key fob inside of your vehicle. The battery has to have some sort of charge in it in order for it to work, or else you have to do a different method, which you can look in your owner's manual and figure that out. So I am behind the steering wheel. The keys are inside the vehicle. All right, what I'll do is the vehicle is in park. You see that? My foot is pressed on the brake. And what I'll do is I'll go down or go over to the side right here where it says start, stop, and I will press this. Hold it down for a second, POP, and the vehicle turns on just like that, okay? So now I'm gonna turn this off, and what I'll do is I will go back down here, and the vehicle's in park, and I'll go back over here and I'll press the stop and the vehicle turns off. Now you'll want to read your owner's manual for your particular Mitsubishi Outlander, so you have the exact detailed instructions of how to turn on and off your particular Mitsubishi Outlander. Hope this video has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.